Today, we're diving into the Weishan Coiled aux cable designed for AKG Q701, K702, K712, and various other headphones. The cable boasts a mini XLR female to 1/8-inch 3.5mm and 1/4 6.35mm adapter TRS male plug, ensuring compatibility with a range of devices like car stereos, Android phones, tablets, laptops, MP3 players, and computers. The cable, extending from 4 to 15 feet, provides flexibility and durability, allowing you to move around freely without sacrificing audio quality. The black spring design adds a sleek look while maintaining functionality. One standout feature is the gold-plated TRS plugs, promising hi-fi and stereo sound quality. The 6.35mm 1/4-inch screw-on adapter is a welcome addition, fitting seamlessly with consoles, amplifiers, speakers, guitars, pianos, and drums. Whether you're a music enthusiast, gamer, or audio professional, this cable caters to your needs. The gold-plated plugs minimize sound loss and resist rust, ensuring a reliable and consistent audio experience. In the package, you'll find the cable itself along with a 6.35mm adapter, completing the set for various audio setups. Upgrade your audio gain with the Weishan Coiled aux cable, offering versatility, durability, and superb sound quality. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.